Earn money online without investment. You can make $100 per day. What's going on? My name is Andre. If you're brand new to this YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and lots for you to learn so you can take the information, you can go out there and you can start to work on your online business. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can earn money online without any investment, zero money down. This is not affiliate marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, and all that type of stuff. What I'm going to share with you is a really cool website that you can use, and it does not require you to have a website either, and it doesn't require you any investment. So no money whatsoever you're going to need for this. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because I'm going to share with you exactly what you want. So this is my YouTube channel. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And on here, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways and tips. So for this specific video, what I'm going to share with you, what you need, here are some of the requirements that you're going to need right away, right out the gate for you to get started. So you must be able to speak English, and you also must be able to write English. So speak English, write English. The good thing about this is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're located. You can do this right away, and you can start to bring in money. And the third thing that you have to do, you got to be willing to put in the work. Now, this is super easy, but I'm not going to tell you, all right, you're going to push a couple buttons or do this or do that, and money is just going to start to come into your account. So if you want to make $100 per day, if you want to earn money without any investment or no website or whatsoever, make sure you stick around and you're going to watch this video all the way to the end. So what I'm going to share with you, I'm going to hop on over to Google, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, for this specific method that I'm going to use is it has to do with blogging. Sorry. So it has to do with blogging, and I'm not telling you that you need to create a blog, because creating a blog will require a little bit of time to get going. What we're going to be talking about, I'm going to share with you some really cool tips. So blogs, let me put health blogs. Excuse me. So top 10 health and wellness blogs. So I'm just going to put this up here, and I'm going to share with you this specific website. So on this website, they are pumping out content consistently, and they are showing you exactly tips and tricks of how people should have a healthy lifestyle. So it shows like medical professional, medical, personal, women's fitness. So if you scroll through here, this blog talks about everything about health, wellness, and they're getting good ratings. Now, what I'm going to share with you is, in order for you to start to bank $100 per day, this specific website that is called ProBlogger. So with ProBlogger, you don't have to sign up for this. All you got to do is come on here and you can find jobs related. So if you're good at typing, you're good at English, and you're good at creating content, because there's other websites out there that are already saturated. The competition is extremely high. I'm talking about Upwork. I'm talking about Fiverr. You don't want to go there. Come over to ProBlogger, and once you come on here, you could click on where it says jobs. Once you click on jobs, you could view jobs. So they're always posting jobs here, and the jobs are required. There's audio narrative, there's brand and small business growth ghostwriters. So to become a writer, as you can see here, it doesn't matter where you're from. All you got to do is just click on this, and then once you click on it, it will tell you exactly what is required. So you come on here, and I tell you, this is like super easy. You come on here and you click on where it says contract. This is blog and article writing. And who are we? They're giving you information of exactly what they're looking for. So they will pay you, and they start anywhere from $20 per article. Now it's a 350 words. So you pay, so the pay will start here, and they will pay you 30 for 3. So let's say if you're doing like microblogs, you're doing like 3. blogs and stuff, or little blogs, they will give you 30 for 3. So for weekdays, it's 20. On weekends, it's 25. So they're looking for people that are consistently pumping out content. And if you're good at writing skills, all you got to do is just come on here and you can get started like right away. So if you scroll through here, you could see some more jobs related. And if you click on, let me click on this one. Click on this one right here. And if you look, these people are located in Florida, but it doesn't matter where you are located. These are some of the requirements they're looking for. Must show some example of your work. So of course, if you got some experience in writing and stuff, you can get started like right away. So some photography experience is required. Good at researching and listening, understanding that the quality is far more important than the quantity. So they're looking for quality stuff and not people that will just go on. So if you come on here, they're looking for photographers or printing industry. So if you're good at taking pictures, this is good. So these are some of the content that they want to write about is photography and printing. So whatever that you think is good for you, feel free to just jump on here and you can see exactly what, because remember, there's tons and tons of different niche that you can go into. So writers that know poster, let's click on here. You get $300 to $500. So this one here is in Boston, Massachusetts, and they're looking for mid-sized business. Well, company type is a mid-sized business, and these are some of the requirements that they're looking for. So they will pay you through Stripe, of course, Stripe or PayPal or whatever payment, and they will show you. So you can just apply here, and then once you put your name, you put your email, you put your message, you can drop some files here and make sure you're not a robot, and you can send your application. So once you do that, there's people that will pay you, because lots of bloggers out there and huge companies, even small people that want to get their blogging done. So you will come on here, you find the jobs. These are some testimonials. These are some FAQs that you need to learn. And once you come through here, you can just get started right away. So this is a great way how you can earn money online without no investment. You can make $100 per day just by doing this, because I know most of you said, well, there's always this and there's always that. And I know not everything is for everybody, because I talk about affiliate marketing and other ways to make money online. So I decided to create this video for you so you can get started like right away. Hope this video helps. My name is Andre. Like, subscribe, and if you're looking for my #1 recommendation of starting your own business online where you can get some help to get going, check out the link in the description. So anywhere in the world, you can do this. This is worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.